Hey guys, it's your boy, back again with another video. Now we're unboxing the KMOUK gaming Bluetooth earbuds. Now I purchased these to go with my Switch Lite, you know, the one that comes in Pikachu yellow. Now on Amazon, these headphones did match the yellow just a little bit better, but hold on, wait a minute. Look at that gold knife. Oh, gold everything. But yeah, on a serious note, on Amazon, the yellow did match the Switch Lite good. Wasn't perfect, wasn't spot on, but it matched good. But in person, it's more of an orangish yellow, but can't argue, still looks nice. I guess it's just bumblebee yellow. And let me tell you now, guys, I'm sorry about the glare. I didn't realize how bad the glare was until I had already filmed the video, and at this point, I wasn't about to throw all this material out. So just bear with me and I'll do a better job next time. Make different sounds. Okay. I was actually about to start making cats and dog noises, to be honest. I'm such a goofball. But anyway, this is what comes in the box. You have your usual little brochure that tells you about the company. Yeah, we're gonna just file that one to the side. Get out of here. The usual manual that comes in these types of things, you know. And the warranty paperwork. Yeah, all of that. Man, come on, that's not important. Come on, man, just throw that away. Get it out of here. It's a thick manual. Good God. Oh, that's why it's in Chinese and English. But anyway, we don't need to go. Yeah, I'm gonna get there. Bye. Now, this is what else comes in the box. Dude, are you gonna get back to this? He done walked off somewhere. Good. Oh, you're back. You have your usual extra ear tips. Nothing special. Type-C cable. Nothing special. I'm just happy it didn't come with micro USB. Now this is what we all came for. Let me rip off that. Come on. Dude, are you gonna take the plastic off or what? Come on, man. What? Man, you are such a tease. Come on, man. Yeah, are you serious? Yeah, there's nothing else in the box. Oh, gotta burp it. Yep, nothing else. Follow it. Oh, now that's good. Follow it. Now to your regularly scheduled program. Look at those headphones. Look at those angles, those curves. Now, isn't it giving you Bumblebee from Transformer vibes? Only thing it's missing is racing stripes. Alrighty, let's go get the switch. It don't take that long to go get the switch, man. Come on. Oh, he's back. As you can see, the yellow doesn't match, but it's close enough. Let's open it, man. Come on. What are you waiting for? Yeah. Wait a minute. Yo, they got the light up headlights. Yo, they go hard. They look like a Tesla from the front. Man, they are cool. Okay. That's nice. Oh. Yo, I am pleasantly surprised. There is zero lag whatsoever. Now, it does seem like the left ear is going out a little bit, but I think that's just me. My music too loud. I'm going deaf. But yeah, man, no. Yo, they giving them good hands, handing out. Oh, Lord, have mercy. I think she needs some milk. Good girl. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed what you just saw, please like, follow, and share.